Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to show or hide the search option in your Windows 11 taskbar. So for this guys, you can follow easy and simple methods. First you need to open your Windows 11 settings, hold Windows key button and press I. With this help of shortcut key guys, you can easily able to open your settings. Okay, in the settings in the left panel you can get the option personalization. Just click and open it, and in the right panel guys, slightly scroll down, here you can get the option taskbar. Just click on it. Okay, and here guys you can get the option search. If you want to hide the search option on your taskbar, just you need to disable this option. That's it. If you want to show the search option on the taskbar, just you need to enable this option. That's it. From here you can easily able to enable and disable the search option on your Windows 11 taskbar. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy. So if you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.